Sumali po ako ng The Voice Teens para po sa experience. Yung maramdaman ko lang yung thrill and excitement na, uy, nakapasa ako, or hala, naikutan ako.
Minsan, isang araw, puso'y napasigaw, nahulog sa'yo. Di ko na matanaw, pangangatwiran ko'y di na mapagkatiwalaan. Kaya't pipigil na lang at pagkasakali lang. Tago-taguan, maliwanag ang buwan, masarap magmahal pag hindi iniwan. Pagbilang ng tatlo, nakatago na ako, ibalik ako sa nakaraan. Tago-taguan, maliwanag ang buwan, masarap magmahal pag hindi iniwan. Pagbilang mo tatlo, nakatago na ako, ibalik ako sa nakaraan. Nung di mo iniwan, nung di pa naiwan.
Dude!
Band pala tayo!
Hi po!
What's your name?
I'm Kirsten Daniel Sarmiento. My friends
Kirsten.
call me Kirsten.
Ano ba mga hobbies mo?
I love scrapbooking and hoarding every recycled material na magagamit ko po for my scrapbooks. I store my memories in that scrapbook. And I would like to make new ones. So, nung nag-The Voice po ako, sinimulan po ni Ate Bianca. And if it's okay with you po, could I also make more memories?
Oo naman. Very Miss
The special page for The Voice.
Oh, okay.
Ano nakalagay? I'm gonna pick Coach Casey. Oh.
Oh, no.
Ay, wala!
May paglagay.
Pick Coach
May paglagay.
Casey
The big day.
after I choose Martin. Can we do a picture now?
Photo?
Yeah, of course.
While we wait for it to develop, maybe Bambo can tell us.
Yes, I want to say I'm very happy na umikot si Coach Martin, Coach Casey for you. I truly believe that you deserve to be on this show. I look forward to Coach Casey and Coach Martin battling for you.
I've heard this song before, and I've heard people not hit those notes as perfectly as you hit those notes. Doon ako talagang na-judge itong performance na to dahil sa mga notes. Those are very hard notes to hit and try and sell the song at the same time. You did a marvelous job with the song, and I was so impressed. All I can tell you is on my team, you're very much needed and you're very welcome. Okay?
Thank you for believing
Thank you,
in me,
Kristen.
Coach.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kirsten, hindi ako umikot agad kasi inantay ko muna kung ano yung mga gagawin mo pa at paano mo iuuwi yung kanta. Sobrang importante kasi sa akin yun eh. And you proved to me na you really are worth the wait. Storytelling was there. May mga ginawa kang mga maliliit na runs na nagawa mo naman. Pero feeling ko may mga pwede ka dapat lang piliin ng time na yun. Pero ang pinaka-napansin ko, may sipon ka ba?
A bit po.
Oo. Kasi medyo yung placement mo parang tunog medyo
Nasal?
medyo barado lang ng konti. Pero kung iisipin mo, sobrang hirap kumanta ng may sipon. Pero ikaw nagawa mo yung mga switches mo. Tago-taguan, maliwanag ang pan. Ang hirap
Those
na
are the
tapos
notes.
barado yung ilong mo. Pero nagawa mo pa rin siya. So, ibig sabihin nun, mahilig ka talagang kumanta, mahilig ka mag-practice. Ilang beses mong pinractice tong kantang to. Kasi kahit na hindi 100% yung katawan mo, na-perform mo pa rin siya ng maganda. Yun, you would really be an asset sa Team Supreme. So, ayun, I think it is time for you to make a decision.
This coach will really, really help me find my style and help me define my voice more.
Please
Ang
check.
coach na pipiliin ko, I see